Well, in related breaking updates, the United States and the United Nations have also demanded proof on Peng Shuai's whereabouts as the Chinese state-affiliated journalist shared unverified photos of the tennis star who has not been seen publicly since accusing a former vice premier of allegedly sexually assaulting her. Now, earlier, the White House press secretary, Jen Psaki, has also said that President Joe Biden's administration wanted China to provide independent and verifiable proof of Peng's whereabouts and has also expressed deep concern about the former top-ranked doubles player. Suchitra from the digital desk in the Mumbai newsroom is joining us live. Good morning to you, Suchitra. What all has been demanded? In fact, this is a global protest that is now taking place because they are doubting when it comes to China's intent and also when it comes to the whereabouts of the missing player.
Good morning. Yes, there has been a great amount of speculation as to where the 35-year-old tennis player from China is currently. There have been certain leaks from the Chinese affiliated global media like Global Times. They have shared certain photos which have been uploaded on the internet, claiming that Peng Shuai will make a public appearance soon, and she was quote-unquote enjoying a very good weekend in her undisclosed location. The Chinese 35-year-old tennis player had made a series of allegations against a very serious Communist Party leader of sexual exploitation and assault, and has been missing since then. It was the US President Joe Biden who expressed very deep concerns about the Chinese tennis player, and he also asked about verification of her location by proper sources and not Chinese controlled media. The UN, after US President Joe Biden, has now asked for a thorough investigation into the sexual allegations made by Peng Shuai, and this is what they are claiming, that we call in for calls for PRC authorities, People's Republic of China, to provide independent and verifiable proof of her whereabouts and that she is safe. Any report of sexual assault should be investigated, and we support a woman's ability to speak out and seek accountability, whether here or around the world. Second, we will continue to stand up for the freedom of speech, and we know that PRC has zero tolerance for criticism and a record of silencing those that speak out, and we continue to condemn these practices. This statement from Biden's press secretary, Jen Psaki, comes after a global outrage between a lot of these players, especially top tennis stars like Novak Djokovic, who have spoken out and demanded for Peng Shuai's safety and verification of her whereabouts. Back to studio.
Well, absolutely. When it comes to the Chinese media, they have also posted certain pictures there on Twitter, which is unavailable in China, rather to showcase that Peng Shuai is well. She was actually seen at a restaurant, was smiling, but this is a facade that is being said by the US and many of those people who are concerned about her safety. Suchitra, thank you very much.